Welcome to your 15-minute meditation to clear your energy of all the negativity which is filling your whole being up with powerful positivity. Just take a deep breath in once again, fill your lungs with air and exhale. Really feel your feet or back in contact with the surface beneath you. Feel supported and safe and know that you can fully let go now. These next few minutes are for you and a time which you can give back to yourself and receive everything that you need. Take another deep breath in and tense your whole body as tightly as you can. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Breathe deeply in once again and tense your whole body. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and release. And last time, breathe deeply in and tense your whole body. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and finally release. As you sit or lie where you are, just become aware of your body. Become aware of your own energy. See your energy inside you. See your energy circulating inside your body. See your feelings as waves of vibration as they are. Become aware of the feelings that you would like to get rid of or release. Know that this is a completely safe space for you. It is safe for you to release unwanted emotions, unwanted feelings, unwanted negative energies. It is safe for you to release negative energy. It is safe for you to cleanse and heal yourself. It is safe for cleansing and healing to take place. Cleansing and healing within your body is beginning now. So feel it. Feel it happening now. Now, see your energy expanding out and connecting with the infinite energy of the universe. See yourself connecting to the all-powerful, all-loving energy of the universe. See it bringing you the healing that you need. See it bringing you the cleansing that you need. bringing you everything that you need. See it cleansing the energy that is being weighing you down. Removing all the anxiety, the fear, the angst, the pain, and all the other toxic energies that have been burdening your soul. See it being removed now. See all these negative energies being removed from your body now. Feel yourself getting lighter as this negative energy is removed entirely from your system. Lighter and lighter until all the negative energy is gone, until all the negativity disappears, dissipates into thin air and just disappears. All negativity has been completely erased from your system now. And now you see yourself being filled with new life force energy. Vibrant energy. Strong, powerful energy. You are being filled now with a myriad of positive rainbow energy. You are being filled with love, with compassion, with kindness now, with harmony, with peace, with joy. Now, with sheer happiness and ecstasy. Now, with calm and inner joy. Now, above all, with gratitude and thankfulness for all that you have and all that you have been blessed with contentment. with a feeling of fulfillment at having a healthy body, a healthy mind. You are being filled with peace now. With lots and lots of optimism, positivity, and hope for your future. With childlike joy, with no conditions attached, no strings attached, just happy, with abundance. Your whole body is being filled with the most glorious rainbow of positive energy. And now it is done. You are glowing with vibrant energy, and it is beaming out of you and is coming back to you multiplied. It is a fantastic spectrum of beautiful colors. This positive healing energy is getting reflected back to you by the universe. You are powerful now. You are so positive now. Go forth and shine with this joyful energy. Just shine with this energy. You are powerful. You are omnipotent now. Your body has healed. You are so positive now. Your body is full of healing positive energy now. Go forth and shine in this light of positivity and be nourished yourself by it. The supply is abundant and endless in your life now. Your life is full of this positive energy. Thank you for sharing in this meditation moment. When you are ready, just come back into the room and open your eyes. This is Anukriti, supporting you to live your best life. And I love you.